Yeah, just hold it and aim it just like you were
like a video camera?
Yeah, just like a little video camera. And then we can launch the marshmallow. Ready for the marshmallows, guys? All right. Good job. Good job. Okay. All right. The attack is still going on. More marshmallows launching.
It hit mine.
Did it?
Yeah, because you guys are in the right spot.
Okay.
You guys keep creeping forward.
You're moving too forward. Do you want to just film this little thing here for a sec?
Oh, okay.
I just want to see if it looks.
So I don't have to click her and do anything.
Is it still looking like it's filming? Okay. We'll launch it and see if it works. Whoa!
Why is it mine?
You're so close. I guess I'm going to be attacked, really. My castle's going to... You guys are way too close. You guys go to the back. Go to the back.
No way.
Go to the back.
No, please, shoot it.
Go to the back, guys.
Okay, Master, back it up. Right to the table, guys. Right to the table.
Right to the table.
I don't want that.
In the olden days, you would have been far away from the castle, launching things and everything. Okay, ready?
Launching things.
I'm making mine.
Good job. Okay. Well, it's noon. You guys go have a good lunch. Take your shields home and learn more about castles and medieval times if you want.
Please, can you shoot one? I never got hit.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Can we get hit? I never got hit. Let's shoot one with no
Thanks, guys. Pardon?
Shoot one. Try to make the marshmallow get to the table.
No.
Please. Just try. How about me? I never got hit or anything.